So today I will explain how the solution in this paper. So the equation are 3x plus 7y equals 12 and 4x minus 8y equals negative 1. We multiply the first equation by 4. 12x plus 28y equals 48. Then multiply the second. Now add the equations. Solve for y. Substitute the value of y into one of the original equations. Therefore, the solution is x equals to 8952. And sa number 2, same rin lang sa number 1. Multiply the second and now add the equations. Solve for y. Substitute the value of y into one of the original equation. Therefore, the solution is 8. Add the two equations together. And the x terms cancel out. So, y equals to 1. So, the number 3, the equation are 2, 4x, negative y equals negative 2. Negative 3, x minus y equals 10. So, the part 2, subtract the 3x for both sides. Then add 16 and equals x equals 18. So number 3, 8x equals to negative 8. Then divided to 8 equals to x equals negative 1. So sa activity na ito, natutunan ko kung paano mag-solve ng linear equation gamit ang elimination at substitution methods. At naging mas malinaw din kung paano hanapin ang value ng variables sa 1 variable at 2 variable equations. Na-practice ko ang tamang paglipat ng terms at pag-simplify ng equations. Kaya mas naging confident ako sa pag-solve ng math problems. Pag-solve nito.